Hello my friends, good to see you guys smiling faces again. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going out for some street section. We are going to be finding abandoned trailers parked on the roadside, and then we are going to be hopping on it, doing some beautiful tricks. I know you guys have been waiting for this. Today I'm having Sadiq Fatai out here, Elisha Friday, EMMANUEL, QUHAM, and Joseph. We're about to go on this street section. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this one. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and do all the beautiful things you know that will help us grow. Yes, that man is just looking at it steadily.
Ma drop it.
Yeah. Nice, we are pulling a lot of crowds out here. Multiple people filming us and watching. QUHAM, are you going? He finally made it down. Did the back spin down. How was it? When the bike was terrible at this, but it makes sense. Okay, rain came pouring and we decided to hide under this tree as a shield, and we'll see you guys on the next one. So this leg is bad right now. He couldn't ride at the first spot he went to. Hopefully we'll see you guys on the next one. This is where I ended the vlog for today because it's raining. Thank you. Peace.